Okay, so wanted to do a quick video for you. This is a long time coming. I've been meaning to put this together for a while, and this has to do with getting unstuck when you're trying to figure out how to sell your product or your service. Because there are a lot of different approaches that we can take and a lot of different angles. And when you're trying to think through all of the possible features and benefits and touch points and pain points that your clients or customers have, you can run into a lot of roadblocks. And so I have something I want to show you that I think is going to help. So this is not mine, by the way. I found this while I was going through a bunch of old copywriting stuff from a guy named David Garfinkel, and I've got his little email or his website down there. He basically does copywriting coaching and sort of like marketing coaching stuff, but a very talented copywriter. And he put this together, 49 ways to get unstuck. And so I thought I'd just share it with you here. So you have across the top, you have the 7 deadly sins, right? Pride, lust, envy, gluttony, anger, greed, sloth, all that. And then along the bottom line here, you've got 7 reasons people buy, either to make money or to save time or effort, to avoid or eliminate a pain, improve health, increase pleasure. Like these are all really great reasons why people buy things. And all you have to do when you're coming in and you're having a bit of a brain fart and you don't know which one, how to approach selling your product or your service, just pick 2 of them. Hey, make money and pride, and then talk about those 2, about what it would be like to make the kind of money and to be able to provide the kind of life for your kids that they want, like private schools and the best education and the best experiences, right? So that's a combination of make money and pride. Or you can do make money and envy. And you can say, hey, aren't you tired of watching people who are less qualified, less talented, less capable than you, making more money than you? Or you can move down to save effort and sort of gluttony, right? Who wants to work hard when you can work less and spend your time relaxing and lounging by the beach, right? So you see, you can kind of cross promote. You can be as aggressive as you want to, right? With this, but the idea is when you're trying to think through all of the reasons why your prospect might choose to buy your product, these are different angles that you can use. And I find this really valuable when I'm writing email copy to promote the same product over a series of days, or in some cases weeks if it's a big enough product, of trying to find a new angle to write about. So, well, I've already talked about that, and I've already talked about these reasons to buy and that reason to buy. Like, what are some other reasons? That's when I can turn to something like the 49 ways to get unstuck and come up with some new angles for my copy that hopefully will strike a different chord with a different type of buyer and get them to spend a little money where otherwise they might not have. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Check it out. Use it. I've got a link. I'll put a link underneath this so that you can go and download this and keep for yourself. But I hope you got value out of this, and see you guys later.